Hello guys, welcome to Generation Rival. We are currently here on ChatGPT and I'm gonna tell you how you can use ChatGPT in order to teach you new things. And let me tell you, ChatGPT is quite good at teaching, maybe at the basic level. Because if you really want someone to teach you, then I guess a real person would do it much better. So let's say we want ChatGPT to teach us about something like quantum mechanics. And as you can see, it's telling us everything in so long detail, and maybe you don't want to read that because you don't even understand what quantum superposition or entanglement means. Even if it already defines it for us, you still really can't understand it properly and actually have a problem with it. So what you can do actually is just, hey, tell me it again, but let's pretend I'm a kid. Can you teach this to me? Like, as if, yeah, I'm an elementary student. And look, it's gonna talk to us. ChatGPT is going to be paraphrasing the entire thing like it's some elementary school subject. Tiny particles, wave particle, magic guessing game. Like, what? These words are for kids. And that's the good thing. ChatGPT can teach you so much and can teach you in a way that you prefer, just by suggesting it something. And I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Rival. See you in the next one. Bye bye.